How to change your country location on Lululemon. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open up any web browser you want and head over to shop.lululemon.com. Then make sure to log into your account. Now if you want to change your country location on Lululemon, click on this globe icon. Right now it says USA, so if you want to change your country location, this box is going to appear and from here you can choose your location. As you can see, there are different continents here, so you simply want to select the continent first. Click on the plus icon and that will open up the list of countries that you can choose from. You can scroll down and then find the country that you want to change into. Once you have found it, simply click on it and that's going to change your country location. Remember that your shipping and billing address is going to be affected by this change. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.